All right, so this is number 4, and this one is Prezi.com, and it just doesn't seem right to call it Prezi. It just seems very Italian, so it's Prezi is what it should be. So that's what I guess I'll call it. Um, anyway, very, very cool website. I'm not sure where I found out about this one. I think it was one of my other um, assignments at Fort Hays. Somebody had to do a video, and they used Prezi, and it was really cool. And so that's one of the reasons I checked out the website. It was impressive. So why I chose it, because I'd heard good things about it. I had seen it in action, and I thought it was incredible. It's very versatile. You can do a ton of different stuff with it, and I'll get to that in a second. My goals and objectives: to find ways to make infographics for the newspaper class. Our newspaper class essentially is our school newspaper staff, and it can be tough to come up with ways to make infographics, and we'd like to use a lot of those. So I look forward to using this for that, and also more tools for engaging presentations. Really cool stuff with videos as well as with slides that you can do with this website. So here it is, and this is after I've already gotten in. This is with the free account. You can also upgrade, I guess, just like you can with everything else. But you can make videos right here. You can create them from a template right here. You can import a PowerPoint. You can use Prezi Present, which is their presentation software. With Prezi Design, you can start from a template. Again, you can use slides, video presentations, and then I'm going to click on infographics to look at that, since that's one of the main reasons I wanted to do this. And you can see here there are a ton of them, editable infographics that you can click on, easily change the information in here and make it what you want it to be, but really easy to use, really attractive. Infographics have a wide variety of ones that you can use. So I just thought it was extremely impressive. And then for Prezi Present, if you click on this, it'll kind of show you how it works. And so we just click on this, loads it up, and it's actually pretty cool. It takes you from, kind of zooms in from thing to thing, and it's just pretty cool the way it does this. And this isn't working the way the other one was, but let me go back. Also, they have really useful tutorials here to show you how to do everything. Not all the sites that I've seen really do a good job of explaining how to use everything, but there's just so much here I can't scratch the surface. But I did want to share this one. I just think there's a ton here, and I've probably figured out 3% of what you can do here, so there's probably a lot of cool stuff I'm going to figure out in the future through this one. But another one that's highly recommended I see as being very useful, and can't wait to use it.